Oh, hello. That was so bad.
Hey guys, today we're doing Forgotten Desert and I'm with Llama Bear right now. Say hi. And we're doing... Double Silly Salmon. Oh.
And it's like really crispy.
I like crispy. I like crispy M&Ms.
I like crispy bacon.
I like crispy toes.
Comment below if you like crispy bacon.
Comment below if you're on hashtag Team Llama or Team Mr. Kemble.
Oh my god, gotta love my dolphin laugh. It's not that bad. Shut up.
You do realise I actually sound like a monkey when I laugh.
You sound like a hippo on bamboo. Oh my god.
Well done. You feel precious. Oh wow. Okay. There may be two parts, and if so, it would be hashtag part 1/2. Fun with Mr. Campbell. I'm eating a Malteser right now.
I'm eating a Mars bar and some cheesy pasta with butter, but mind you, my pasta's gone cold, but I still eat it.
Enough internet for one day. Munch, munch, crunch, 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 munchy, munchy, crunchy, crunchy, munchy, munchy, lunch, lunch.
Oh my god. Guys, I need to sneeze.
Bless you.
They have ASMR for like sneezing.
What does ASMR mean?
Oh my god, your Phoebe is so dumb.
Does it mean asthma? Is it? Wait, what's the letters again? So is it American Sandals Modeling Revolution?
Yeah, it is.
It's actually. Wait, what is it then? No. No, I know what it means.
Aesthetic sounds.
Monkeys' riddles.
Oh my god, yeah, totally.
American saddled monkeys riddled.
Awesome.
Saddles.
Awesome, spooky, magnificent rings.
Does it actually?
I don't know, it's just
Oh, okay then. I'm gonna get it soon.
You're supposed to be doing the adventure, you idiot. Somebody remind Phoebe that she's supposed to be doing
Oh.
I need to fart.
Oh, I know what it means. ASMR videos are meant to give a viewer a relaxing tingle at the back of their head and/or spine. ASMR videos usually involve one or more of the following things: gentle whispering, relaxing hand movements, smacking off the lips, nail tapping, scratching on hard surfaces such as tables, brushing sound, etc.
Okay then.
Enough internet. So it doesn't mean American Sandals Monkey Revolution.
I really want to go to America and I have no idea why.
American
Then again,
Sandals.
Donald Trump, so I'm good.
We've got Theresa May. She's worse. I've got an itchy eyebrow.
That's nice.
I know, right?
I have an itchy hoo-ha.
No, we've got all of this later. Oh god, what's our reaction gonna be to the video?
Our reaction is gonna be, wow.
It's gonna be, I don't know.
Literally, the title of this video is gonna be, I don't know.
If anyone says, if I say to someone, do you want some food for, what do you want for tea? And they say, I don't know. I'm gonna literally get some paper and put, I don't know, make sure it's curly and serve it to them.
I don't, honestly, if someone says to me they don't know what they want for dinner, or like in the shop, I smack them because I get so frustrated. Like, make up your mind.
I got privileged to eat lots of sweets because it's my birthday.
I'm privileged to get obese because it's not my birthday.
Yeah, I'm allowing you today.
Thank you very much. Even though I went on a 30-minute walk/run, because I ran half of it.
Also, guys, expect more videos and live stream later, and I've also got loads of new clothes which I can't show. Because my webcam was missing and broken.
Oh, that's
Oh, pun.
oh my god, keep that in the video.
Oh.
The Grimbo. Oh my god.
I'm halfway up level 10 and sorry. Pardon me.
Yeah, gotta use your manners, Phoebe. God, don't forget.
Time for my energy drink next.
Oh, that's gonna be even worse. If I have like one can of Coke, I'm out. Oh wait, no, Pepsi Max really gets me over.
The thing is, it's original energy drink and it's got full on energy drink sugar, and literally I had one before when I was at school and I was hyper.
Oh, this is gonna turn videos into hell when you have any. See what I mean?
I haven't even drank it yet, I'm just eating chocolate.
That's nice.
The M&Ms smell nice.
We're doing so bad.
These M&Ms smell nice. They smell like M&Ms.
I know, M&M's just have that really great smell.
Are they meant to smell like M&Ms?
You know Mars?
Okay, let's concentrate on the video now. No, the adventure.
Video, yeah.
What I'll do,
Guys, you can hop onto my channel to say.
I'll leave a channel down below. When we get to like closer to collecting all of them, that's when I'll start playing the video, okay? We're back, we're closer to getting like all the yellows and greens, so yeah, let's just hurry up now.
Oh, but the blues, where are the blues at?
Why are you feeling so blue?
Really?
Come on, we're close to finishing green. The lag is so unreal right now.
Oh wow, my lag's even worse, don't worry. I found the last green.
Yes, what do you get? I hope it's Spike. Ugh.
Sorry guys, I'm just having
You sounded constipated. Anyway, I hope we get a Spike because it's my birthday, and if we don't, I'm gonna rage quit.
same.
I just poured an empty cup of tea into my mouth. I feel special.
Oh my, you did.
Yeah, I thought it was full.
I think that was my bad.
Like, you don't expect to like drink fast. I'm gonna open my energy drink. Ooh! Finally. Ooh! Okay, I'm gonna pause it again till we get to like 18 or 19 blue, and it's the same for white. What? What did you just say?
I need to itch my scalp.
Have you got the nitty gritty?
No, but I just need to itch my scalp.
Oh, we got 3 minutes. Oh, yeah!
You recorded that.
No one cares.
Shut up, you smell.
But no offense. Come on, let's do this. Dun, 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 dun. I forgot Mr. Kemble was open.
I'm gonna strangle myself.
I'm recording, you know.
Yes.
It's meant to be child friendly.
This is child friendly.
You sure?
Wait, what is child friendly? I'm joking. I'm not that dumb.
Child friendly.
Silly old.
Willy.
Child friendly.
You'll learn when you're older. It's also a short name for Will I Am.
Will.i.am, yeah, see? You could be saying silly little Will.i.am. I can't even laugh.
Also, a short word for Richard is Dick.
Oh,
You could go.
I think we lost track of the whole word child friendly.
You can.
But,
You could go. Dickie Brown, come here, please. You need to get your Dickie bow on. I want a Dickie bow. Can we just hurry up and find the last point? What?
My percentage is about to go.
Then charge it quick.
This is a great video so far.
No, please, charge it before I die.
Oh. I said fudging, and it's fudge is a type of chocolate that you eat.
Yes, I like. Quick, we've only got 1 minute. Quick. We sound like a pair of constipated zombies. I want to eat your brain.
I'd love to eat your Kit Kats.
My cousin comes out with the most silliest pickup lines. She goes like, "If you was a horse, I would ride you."
Oh, I forgot we were child friendly here, but
Yeah.
did you find it?
Check the waterfall. Check the waterfall. The one with the 3 waterfalls.
Phoebe, I'm gonna pee myself.
You do that.
You girl.
Oh shit! Quick.
We have 1 minute, by the way. I didn't have a timer, but she told me we have 3 minutes, so I'm gonna.
No, we've only got 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! And I literally just found it.
Oh my god, Phoebe! I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely.
You are now.
I have no fun.
Yeah, because I left you adventure. Okay, guys, that is all for this amazing video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, y'all.